Living in West Columbia, South Carolina, offers many advantages, from its close proximity to the state capital to its charming southern feel. However, homeowners in this region are no strangers to the unpredictable weather patterns, including hurricanes and severe storms. These weather events can bring high winds, heavy rainfall, and even flooding, which can wreak havoc on your property if it's not properly prepared. One of the most effective ways to protect your home from the devastating effects of storms is by installing storm-resistant windows and doors. These specialized windows and doors are designed to withstand the intense conditions brought on by storms, keeping your home safe, secure, and dry. In this article, we'll explore how storm-resistant windows and doors can offer valuable protection for your West Columbia home, safeguarding your investment and giving you peace of mind when storm season hits. Durability against high winds. One of the most destructive elements of a storm is the high winds that can accompany it. Hurricane-force winds, in particular, can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour, which can easily break glass windows or force doors open, allowing rain and debris to enter your home. This can lead to significant property damage, as well as pose a safety risk to your family. Storm-resistant windows are designed to be impact-resistant, meaning they are made from laminated glass or tempered glass that is much stronger than regular glass. These windows can withstand the force of high winds and flying debris without shattering. Similarly, storm-resistant doors are built with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and stronger seals, all of which ensure that your home stays protected from the outside elements. By installing these windows and doors, you can significantly reduce the risk of your home being compromised during a storm. Protection against flying debris. During severe storms, flying debris is one of the leading causes of damage to windows and doors. Small objects, like branches, rocks, and even trash, can become projectiles when whipped around by strong winds. When these objects strike unprotected windows or doors, they can easily break the glass, which allows water to flood into your home and causes further damage. Storm-resistant windows and doors are designed to resist the impact of flying debris. The tempered glass used in these installations is far more durable than standard glass, and laminated glass features a special layer that holds the glass together even if it cracks. With storm-resistant doors, the glass and frames are designed to absorb impact, ensuring that your home remains intact even during the worst weather. These features offer a higher level of protection compared to regular windows and doors, which is especially important for homeowners in West Columbia, where storms can be intense. Preventing water infiltration and flooding. Another major concern during severe storms is water infiltration. Heavy rain can flood homes, causing significant damage to interiors, furniture, flooring, and personal belongings. Storm-resistant windows and doors are not only designed to withstand wind and debris but are also built to seal tightly to prevent water from entering your home. The weather-stripping, double-sealed glass, and reinforced seals of storm-resistant windows and doors help ensure that rainwater does not seep into your home, even in the event of torrential downpours. This feature is especially crucial in West Columbia, where hurricanes can bring substantial rainfall that can lead to flooding. By installing storm-resistant windows and doors, you can minimize the risk of water damage and protect the integrity of your home. Energy efficiency during extreme weather. In addition to protecting your home from storms, storm-resistant windows and doors offer an added benefit of energy efficiency. The reinforced glass and superior insulation in these windows and doors help to regulate your home's temperature by preventing drafts, air leaks, and heat transfer. During extreme weather conditions, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In West Colombia, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly between seasons, this added energy efficiency can also help reduce your energy bills. Whether it's a heat wave in the summer or a chilly storm in the winter, your home will remain comfortable without the added cost of high energy consumption. So, while storm-resistant windows and doors are crucial for weather protection, they also help you maintain a more energy-efficient home year-round. Enhanced security and peace of mind. When a severe storm is approaching, the safety of your family and property is your top priority. Storm-resistant windows and doors provide an added layer of security against not only the elements but also potential break-ins. The strong, reinforced materials make it more difficult for intruders to break into your home, giving you peace of mind even in stormy conditions. Knowing that your home is fortified with impact-resistant windows and sturdy doors during storm season can significantly reduce your stress and anxiety. The durability of these installations means that your property will remain protected from both natural disasters and criminal activity, offering you complete peace of mind during uncertain times. Increasing property value. Installing storm-resistant windows and doors is also a great way to increase the value of your West Colombia home. Potential buyers are always looking for homes that are safe, secure, and energy efficient, and storm-resistant features can make your property more attractive to them. These upgrades show that you've invested in the long-term durability and safety of your home, making it a more appealing option in the market. With storm-resistant windows and doors, you'll have a property that is not only storm-proof but also ready for future buyers, helping to ensure you get the most value out of your investment. Conclusion: protect your West Colombia home with storm-resistant windows and doors. Storm-resistant windows and doors are essential for protecting your West Colombia home from the unpredictable weather that often strikes the area. With the ability to withstand high winds, flying debris, and water infiltration, these durable installations provide superior protection for your home and family. Beyond storm protection, they also offer energy efficiency, security, and increased property value. By investing in storm-resistant windows and doors, you can ensure that your home is prepared for whatever weather comes its way, giving you peace of mind and keeping your property safe, secure, and comfortable for years to come.